Have you ever wondered what goes into making your favorite videos? For decades, it's been the skilled hands and creative eyes of human editors. But now, there's a new player in the game. Artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate showdown, AI versus human video editing. Who wins? And what does this mean for the future of content creation? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the big one. Speed. This is where AI really shines. Imagine you've just filmed hours of footage for a vlog. A human editor needs to sift through all of it, find the best takes, cut out the mistakes, and piece it all together. This can take hours, even days. AI, on the other hand, can do this in minutes. Algorithms can analyze your footage, identify key moments, remove silences, and even generate a rough cut almost instantly. For creators on a tight schedule, producing daily content, this is AI can handle the tedious, time-consuming tasks, freeing up creators to focus on what's next. So, for pure, raw speed, the point definitely goes to AI. But what about the cost? This is a bit more complex. Initially, professional video editing software and hiring a skilled human editor can be expensive. A freelance editor might charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a single project, depending on its complexity. AI editing tools often work on a subscription model, which can be much more affordable, especially for beginners or small businesses. Some tools even offer free basic versions. So, at first glance, AI seems like the budget-friendly option. However, high-end AI software with advanced features can also carry a hefty price tag. And remember, you're often paying for a tool, not a service. You still have to do some of the work yourself. For a simple, straightforward edit, AI is likely cheaper. But for complex projects, the value a human editor brings might be well worth the investment. It's a close call, but for accessibility and upfront costs, AI has a slight edge. Now, let's get to the most important factor for many of us: quality. Can a machine truly match the artistry of a human? AI is fantastic at the technical side of things. It can stabilize shaky footage, correct colors, and balance audio levels with incredible precision. It can even add subtitles automatically and suggest background music that fits the mood. But video editing isn't just a technical process. It's a form of storytelling. Human editors understand nuance, emotion, and pacing. They know when to hold a shot for dramatic effect, when to make a quick cut to build excitement, and how to choose the perfect piece of music that truly elevates a scene. They can interpret a director's vision and add their own creative flair. An AI might not understand the subtle humor in a particular take, or the emotional weight of a quiet moment. It follows rules and patterns, while human creativity often comes from breaking them. For that human touch, that spark of creativity and emotional intelligence that turns a good video into a great one, the clear winner is the human editor. So, where does this leave us? Is AI coming for every editor's job? I don't think so. The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans. The most powerful workflow is a collaboration between the two. Imagine an editor using AI to handle the initial tedious parts of the process. The AI generates a rough cut, syncs audio, and performs basic color correction in minutes. Then, the human editor steps in. They take this foundation and apply their expertise, focusing on the creative aspects, refining the story, perfecting the pacing, and adding those special touches that only a human can. This hybrid approach combines the speed and efficiency of AI with the creativity and emotional intelligence of a human. It allows editors to work faster, handle more projects, and focus on what they do best, telling compelling stories. This is already happening in major studios and will become more common for creators at all levels. So, what's the final verdict in the battle of AI versus human video editing? It's not a simple knockout. AI wins on speed and often on cost, making it an incredible tool for quick turnarounds and simple projects. But when it comes to quality, creativity, and the art of storytelling, human editors are still in a league of their own. The real revolution isn't replacement, it's collaboration. AI is becoming the ultimate assistant, empowering human editors to be more creative and efficient than ever before. The future of video editing is bright, and it's a future where technology and human artistry work hand in hand to create amazing content. What are your thoughts on this? Have you used AI editing tools? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.